जय श्रीमन्नारायण 713th नामम फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम फ्रॉम 76th श्लोक ओम भूतावासाय नमः. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattar Swami, who gave us the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning every day. Sri Parasara Bhattaryaha, Sri Rangesa Purohitaha, Sri Vatsanka Sutta Sriman, Shreyase me astu bhuyase. Om Bhutavasaya Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the abode of all creatures. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Bhutavasaya Namaha. Om Bhutavasaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Sundarakanda, Hanuma searching for Sita Devi in all over of entire Lanka, in every corner of Lanka, and he is searching in Ravana Bhavanam. Everywhere he searched and then he could not find Sita Devi anywhere, and again he went all around entire Lanka, but he did not find Sita Devi. The one who is always thinking about Sri Ramachandra Swami's divine Kalyana Gunas, the one who has high amount of chastity, the one who is respected and revered by entire world, such Sitamma is not seen to Hanuma. Now Hanuma is grieving, Hanuma is worrying. Bahuvidha bhavitatmanaha, the one who can think in every possible way, such great Hanuman. Krutatmanaha, the one who has very resolved mind, stable mind, such great Hanuman. Suchakshushaha, the one who can foresee several things in a very perfect way, such great Hanuman is now worrying and getting depressed because he did not find Sita Devi anywhere. But when he was in search of Sita Devi, he has seen one Pushpaka Vimanam. Now he is noticing and observing that Pushpaka Vimanam. Tat Aprameyam. That kind of Vimanam is nowhere available. Such Pushpaka Vimanam. Apratikara Krutrimam. That kind of Vimanam cannot be built again. Such Pushpaka Vimanam now Hanuma is looking at. The inside structure and all the arrangements inside Pushpaka Vimanam cannot be even seen in Deva Bhavanas. This Pushpaka Vimanam is earned by Ravanasura with his strength and valor. Manasamadhayatu Sighagaminam, the owner of Pushpaka Vimanam, whatever he thinks, Pushpaka Vimanam understands his wish, and according to that, wherever the owner wants to reach, this Pushpaka Vimanam takes them to that place. Such great Pushpaka Vimanam. Marutatulyagaminam. This Pushpaka Vimanam travels with a speed which is an equivalent speed of Vayudeva. Such Pushpaka Vimanam. And it is looking like Devendra Bhavanam. Such Pushpaka Vimanam now Hanuma is looking at. And from there again he went inside Ravana Antahpuram. There now he is seeing one huge building, Dadarsa Bhavana Shreshtham Hanuman Marutatmajaha. He is now seeing huge building, that is Ravana Antahpuram. Such a huge building now Ravana entering into, and he is searching everywhere in that building. And around that palace there are so many houses belongs to Ravana's sons, belongs to Ravana's brothers, belongs to Ravana's ministers. Everywhere again and again Hanuma searching for Sita Devi. And again came back to Ravanantahpuram. There he has seen, Hanuma has seen wives of Ravana. And also there are so many girls who were taken under custody of Ravana forcibly. All those girls also there in that Antahpuram. Now Hanuma is seeing that. Whatever the wealth belongs to Kubera and Devendra, however their palaces would be, all that wealth can be seen right here in Antahpuram of Ravana. There again Hanuma looking at Pushpaka Vimanam. Now that Pushpaka Vimanam Hanuma is getting into. This Pushpaka Vimanam is built by Vishwakarma for Chaturmukha Brahma. After that Kubera did tapasya and got boon from Chaturmukha Brahma and earned Pushpaka Vimanam from Chaturmukha Brahma. Then Ravana hit Kubera and got this Pushpaka Vimanam. This Pushpaka Vimanam is glowing like Agni and Surya. Into that Vimanam Pushpakam Divyam Aruroha Mahakapihi. Now Anjaneya Swami is getting into Pushpaka Vimanam. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. 76th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Bhutavaso Vasudevaha Sarvasu Nilayo Nalaha Darpaha Darpado Drupto Durdharodha Aparajitaha. Bhutavaso Vasudevas Sarvasu Nilayo Nalaha Darpaha Darpado Drupto Durdharodha Parajitaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. Om Bhutavasaya Namaha. Om Bhutavasaya Namaha. Om Bhutavasaya Namaha.